Stopping distances. A moving car will require a certain distance to be brought to rest. This is called its stopping distance. The distance travelled is made up of two parts, the thinking distance and the braking distance. Thinking and braking distances. The thinking distance is the distance travelled by the car before the driver applies the brakes. The braking distance is the distance travelled by the car while the brakes are applied. Both the thinking distance and the braking distance increase greatly as the speed of a car increases. At higher speeds, a car will travel further before the driver applies the brakes. The faster the car, the greater its kinetic energy. This means more work will need to be done by the braking system to bring the car to rest. The figures shown above are taken from the Highway Code. They illustrate the average thinking and braking distances of a car. Adverse conditions. The stopping distances issued by the Highway Code are typical for a well-maintained vehicle on a good road surface with an alert driver. However, thinking and braking distances can be greatly affected by a range of adverse conditions.